Hi, this is Paul from globaltradingsoftware.com, and this is a futures trading tutorial. But as a lot of you may know, I'm going to spend a lot more time in Dubai, and it's about devising my own trading plan now around the trading day. Basically, I've decided just to switch to copper and oil because we have the oil pit open in the USA at 9 a.m, which is actually 6 p.m. in Dubai. So we're going to obviously grow our customer base in the UAE, and I want to be able to spend my day developing the software business, but also then still be able to trade, because that's what I've been doing for 20 years and I just can't stop. So copper and oil will be my trading instruments for futures, and also we're going to be really looking from 6 p.m. Into the evening for me. Now, not trading every day, some trades will be over really quickly, but this is copper from yesterday, and I wanted to go through my thoughts and trades on that. So we are using TradingView on here, although I actually use NinjaTrader, but all of these indicators are available on NinjaTrader as well. So we've got the VWAP Predator, which gives you buys and sell signals. We've got the bias depth heat map down below, and we basically, I've just put a couple of support and resistance zones on there, which are going to affect trading from that open. So we get the oil pit open here at 6 p.m. Dubai time. So everybody's finished work in Dubai by that time, and this is a great trading window to trade oil and copper. And there's lots of different indicators that we have. So the range breakout's another one that I'm going to be making videos on around this new trade plan that I've got, looking at that oil pit open for both copper and oil as well. So we get the oil pit open here, we get a buy signal, but we don't go into this resistance zone. Now the resistance zone is not just there. When I look left, you can see what I'm looking at is previous pivots here, and if I move the chart over to the left even more, we can see it's tested, got a lot of clustering here. It's tested from above, tested from below. That's why I've moved that one across, and that's why I didn't go long. Okay, remember, I'm ex-institutional trader and I find reasons not to trade, so they're the reasons not to trade. Support and resistance is one of the biggest ones. Have I got fresh air? No, then I'm not going to trade. So the next thing we're going to be looking at is then the shorts. So you don't have to have monster trades. You need to accumulate 1 win or 2 wins a day. In effect, probably six wins a week, just not to be greedy. So following my own rules, we get a sell signal here, coming off this resistance zone. The first sell signal, the blue dotted line on the VWAP Predator, is the actual VWAP itself. So we get an open for this candle above the VWAP, the close is below, and with the logic to do with price action, volume, average volume, it gives us a signal. So we go short. There's a lot of fresh air down to that next support zone, and we go short. Now we come back, we come down, we come back up. You see the red cloud here. It turns green at this point, so that's time to take profit. So yes, we left some on the table, but we have to follow the same rules every time, because the next trade will give you the reason why. So that's a 35 tick profit on that trade. Fantastic. We get a pullback now. Look how it actually reacts at the VWAP. Okay, that acts as resistance. We get a buy signal there, but we're not going to go long into this resistance zone. We know it's held pretty well. We wait, it comes back down, we get a sell signal here. So this time we get a open above this fib zone for the VWAP and a close below. We go short, it goes to the next zone, but the ribbon remains red. It pushes through, comes back up. Eventually the ribbon turns green around about 10:30 p.m. Dubai time. Take the 80 ticks profit, 115 ticks profit, 2 trades, $1,437.50 combined profit. Now, this is what we would call a typical day. Sometimes you only get one trade, and this instance we got two because the first one didn't really, the momentum didn't go with it. It pulled back, but the VWAP held as resistance. Then we pulled back down. Then we got the VWAP Predator signal again, and we went short again, and that was the runner. So this is just an example of the type of strategy that I'm developing for myself and others that are living in the UAE to trade oil and copper around the oil pit open, around the US stock market open, just to trade that 90 minutes a day. Yes, you could get a runner and you may have to work a little later in the night, but again, you only need to trade 2 or 3 days a week for those 90 minutes, and this is the sort of strategy I'm developing for myself, because I don't want to sit in front of the computer all day, especially when the markets are dead during my day in this time zone. So it's about trying to develop that strategy with the tools and the trading indicators around your life. We have lots of xBrat trading indicators for lots of different market conditions. Just check out the description below for the links for the VWAP Predator and the bias depth heat map. But the main thing is you've got to develop your own trading plan. Use the strategies around that works for you. Some people in the US, for example, work during the day and they may get up or stay up late to trade the European Open. So it's about developing your own trade plan around your own life. Hopefully that helps. Speak to you all really soon.